Wire0 here, and in this video we're going to get rid of those annoying crosshairs in mind map and nextcloud. So the goal is to go from this to this. Now I'll be working in the non-snap install of nextcloud, however I'll have the instructions for the snap install in the description below. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started and remove those damn crosshairs. All right, there are two files we basically need to update in order to remove the crosshairs from nextcloud's mind map application. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to SSH into our nextcloud server, and we're going to paste in the first file. Again, I'm using the non-snap version, but I'll have the snap version in the description below, like I mentioned before. So let's go ahead and load up that in Nano, which is the text editor I use. If you're going to use anything else, that's fine. This is just my choice. So the first file, the first thing we're going to search for in here is going to be pound F6F. Okay, so hold down Control W and then type in pound F6F and hit enter, and that'll take us to this line right here. And we're going to remove everything between the double quotes. Okay, so we're going to take that out. Okay, now the second thing we're going to search for, again using Control W, there's only one instance of that. There are going to be two instances of this right here. So we're going to hold down Control and W, and we're going to type in pound, okay, 66 FFFF, okay. Now this is going to appear twice in this file, okay. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take out everything between the double quotes right here, okay. Okay, and you'll notice, oh, I accidentally took out double quote there, but it's back in. It will break if we do that. Okay, so we're gonna look for it again, and I'm just moving through, and this is the second instant, and we're gonna take that out. Okay, now we're gonna hold down Control and hit O to save these changes. Okay, and then Control X and exit out of here. All right, now we're gonna go to the second file. All right, and we're gonna paste that in here, and we're gonna go ahead and basically do the same thing. All right, we're gonna hold down Control and hit W, and we're gonna search for pound F6F, okay, and we're gonna search for that. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and take that out. So again, remove everything between the double quotes, all right? And now we're gonna search for the other file. It's basically the same thing as before. This is just another file that is gonna add the crosshairs in. So let's go ahead and search for pound, all right, 66 FFFF. All right, let's search for that. And this is gonna have two instances, and they're gonna be basically right on top of each other. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna take those right out, okay? So just take everything out of the double quotes, and now we're gonna hold down Control, hit O. We're gonna save that, Control X to exit, and now let's go ahead and test that in the browser and see what happens. All right, as you can see here, we have no more crosshairs in our mind map within nextcloud. So here you go, that's the fix. I hope it helps somebody. Have a good night. Peace out, Wire0.